In this video, I'm going to show you how to install DaVinci Resolve, the free version, on the iPad. So you're going to need to access your App Store. So I'm going to use Command Spacebar because I have a keyboard attached, but you can swipe down or you can do a couple of choices. So we're going to App for App Store, click on Search, DaVinci Resolve for iPad. It's this second item right here, so we're going to choose Get. So you're going to complete your purchase. I mean, it's a $0 purchase, but it is a purchase. And you're going to wait for the download. So in the meantime, we can actually click on this and we can see that it's about 4 gigabyte and there's some updates about 2 weeks ago. There's some screenshots and things like this. Right here, we can see roughly about 56 seconds left. In case you get a little too excited and you try to open it up early, it will pause it. So we're going to unpause it by tapping. So after it gets fully downloaded, it will go through the install process. We tap on open for our splash screen. Just wait for it to boot. I don't really know what this is all about. I have a built-in keyboard, so I don't know, you can hit allow or not, but I have the Apple one. It doesn't use Bluetooth, it uses the pins on the back. And there you go. And that's how you install DaVinci Resolve for iPad, the free version, on, drumroll, an iPad. Hope that was helpful. Take care.